Morning, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. And you?
I am also fine. So tell me about yourself.
So my name is Nafis Alam. I am from Bihar. I have done my BTech course from Lovely College in 2011, and I have 10 years of experience. What's your uncle?
You have a 10 years experience.
Yes.
So obviously you do a work anywhere.
Yes, sir.
So why you leave your present job?
So actually, nowadays where do I job? There is no new opportunity for me. So that's why I want to leave that work. Because sir, I am the one who always want to do better from others, and I always want to learn something new. So that's why I want to leave that work.
That's good. Your thinking is so good. So why you work in my company? There is a lot of company in our India. So why you choose my company?
So according to me, actually I don't belong from poor family, and I don't lack. I have not lack of money, because I want to do job in your company, because when I will do job in your company, I will get some new opportunity, and I will get to show up my talent, and I will get some new works, and I will learn from your company, and so that's why I want to do job in your company.
Yeah, that's good.
Thank you, sir.
So what's your strength?
So my standpoint is that I never fap anything, because on the one hand I can say that if I fap anything, definitely I want to know about that work, what is the bottom line of that work, and on the other hand I can say that if I fap anything, definitely I want to learn from that work. So that's why I never fap anything.
Okay, just as you say, you never felt anything.
Yes, sir.
So I give you one word that is a very wrong. Can you accept? Yeah, can you fail?
So firstly, when you will give me that work, firstly I will say from you, sir, this is negative work. If we will do that work, our company can go in loss. So firstly, I will try to say from you that that work is wrong. If you will say from me you can do, definitely I can do. But when you say okay, this is wrong work, you want to, definitely I want to.
Okay, that's good.
Thank you.
Thought is very good. I am totally impressed with you.
Thank you, sir.
So tell me about what is simplicity?
So I can say that I am the example of simplicity, because I have everything. I do help the poor people, and I always think in same way, whether that is a rich person or poor person. I always think in same ideas. So I can say that I am the example of simplicity.
That's good. You have a humanity.
Thank you, sir.
So tell me what is self confidence?
So self confidence is very important in our life, in our whole life. Because sir, I am sitting here by dint of self confidence, and I can easily face any interview. And self confidence is very important for us, because if you have self confidence, you can do any work. And if you don't have self confidence, you won't do any work in a right way. So I can say that so self confidence is very important in our whole life.
That's your thought is very good.
Thank
So
you.
I impressed with you. And what is your salary expectation?
So according to my experience, so my salary expectation is that I should 30 lakh per annum.
Okay,
It is negotiable.
that's good. So I will select you. I will call you back.
Thank you, sir.